didn't give me any indication that you thought you messed up, which is good, because sometimes people make the mistake of saying something.
I didn't say that?
No, it's good.
Okay,
it's good. Yeah,
you don't want to. I feel like I do say that a lot.
You don't want to tip them off. If you notice that you make a mistake, don't say anything at all, because they're human. They might not have seen that mistake. And they'll be like, okay, thank you. I didn't see that one.
Oh, boy.
And so, yeah, no, it's good. What do you think you messed up on?
I actually don't know if I messed up. That's the thing.
Yeah? Okay. So just congratulations. They'll say, congratulations, you do qualify for your G2. Absolutely. You did really, really well.
Okay.
Yeah, you're driving along and traffic is good. One thing I'm going to suggest is, that lane change to make the left turn? There was that truck behind you, and then there was that long truck there. He was passing you. It's fine, so you let him pass you.
Yeah.
But then you notice the truck that was directly behind you changed lanes before you did, right?
Yeah.
And stepped on the gas. I'll just suggest that as you're driving along, letting that big truck pass you, just put your left signal on right away.
Okay.
And that'll more than likely prevent the guy behind you from passing.
Yeah, because I ended up going slower because I was like, because he was going fast. I was like, I'm no way.
Yeah, so not that you did anything illegal though.
So when they're kind of starting to pass you, turn
your signal on.
Okay.
That indicates to all the drivers behind you to stay put.
Okay.
That way they won't try to pass you and trap you in that right lane. So that's just a word of advice for you to make your lane changes a little bit easier. So yeah, driving in traffic, that's all good. Your intersections are awesome. Left turns and there was one right turn I noticed. Okay, right here. No, you did it right. So it was at the graveyard, and you noticed you did all that correctly. The light was red. Yeah, it was red, and there was traffic coming, so you were waiting there. You stopped at the line first. You pulled out into the crosswalk, and you waited, and which is what you should have been doing. Mm-hmm. And then the traffic was starting to slow down. You were checking left like a long time, right? And then as soon as you saw, okay, they're going to stop for the red light, you turned.
Oh, I didn't check for pedestrians?
Right blind spot check, yeah. Right blind spot check right here.
So I just check there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right
blind spot, okay.
Blind spot.
I know that, because I have a feeling they're going to take me on that, right?
Oh, that intersection for sure, yeah. If they go down that way. So it's basically, you're looking at the traffic and the lights, the traffic, okay, it's clear on the left. Look over your right shoulder, look back to the left again,
and then go?
Before you go, yeah.
Okay. Even when it's a green light for me?
Yeah, if it's a green light, just make sure, you just want to double check.
Just to make sure, yeah, okay.
Yeah, just to double check that right blind spot.